Welcome to Kerika. When you first log in, you'll see your personal dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It's designed to help you stay on top of everything by bringing together key information from all the different boards you're a part of. You can quickly see what's new, what's assigned to you, what needs attention, and more. Let's open a view to see how it works. Now, if you're a new user, don't be surprised if these views are empty at first. They'll start to fill up as you and your team begin working. But as your projects grow and you're collaborating across many boards, these views become essential. They give you a single, consolidated look at all your tasks in one place. Whether you're checking on newly assigned work or reviewing everything that's due tomorrow, you have a complete picture without having to jump between different boards. The Kerika Dashboard makes sure you never miss a thing, so you can focus on what matters most. Enjoy Kerika.